Hello, my name is Nicole and I am Research Director at Nested Knowledge. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to subscribe to our platform. I hope this video, as well as the corresponding wiki documentation, is helpful, and thank you again for supporting Nested Knowledge. Okay, as you guys can see on my screen, I need to sign into my account. So go ahead and in the top right hand corner of the screen, click sign in and sign into your account. I have a Gmail, so I'm going to do that. This is the page that it will take you to. If you want to sign up for a subscription, the next thing you should do is click on your name, so my name's Nicole, and click on subscriptions. At Nested Knowledge, you can purchase a subscription at both the individual and the organizational level. To purchase at the individual level, you want to make sure you're toggled to the individual. And then you'll want to click the plan that you want. So let's say, for example, I want the academic plan. I will click this. I'll accept the terms and conditions, and then I'll go to checkout. At the checkout, you fill out your information and you hit subscribe, and you will have subscribed to the Nested Knowledge platform. The process is the same, really, for organizations. So I created my own organization here. The first thing you'd have to do is select the organization that you want to pay for. So I selected mine, and then you'll again select the level. So maybe my organization, I want the enterprise level. I'll hit accept, and then I'll go to checkout. And then same thing, you fill out your information and you will have subscribed to the Nested Knowledge platform. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to support. And thank you so much for believing in Nested Knowledge.